Why is this man pressing a stethoscope against dozens of dirt mounds? At first, it looks completely bizarre and most people assume he's lost it. After all, stethoscopes are meant for listening to heartbeats, not the ground. But there's actually an incredible reason behind it. In Thailand, these mounds hide crocodile eggs buried beneath the soil. To make sure the baby crocodiles don't become trapped underground, caretakers use stethoscopes to hear when the hatchlings are about to emerge. Once they identify the eggs that are ready, they carefully uncover them, helping the baby crocodiles hatch safely before they get stuck inside the nest.